How to reach financial freedom, 12 habits to get you there. 1. Establish life goals. How do you define financial independence? Everyone wants it in general, but that's a very nebulous objective. You must be precise with regards to sums and due dates. The possibility of completing your goals increases with their level of specificity. 2. Create an ongoing budget. The easiest method to ensure that all bills are paid and savings are progressing as planned is to create a monthly household budget and adhere to it. Additionally, having a routine helps you stay committed to your objectives and resist the urge to indulge. 3. Repay credit card debt in full. The process of accumulating money is poisoned by high-interest consumer loans and credit cards. Make it a point to settle the bill in full each month. Paying off student debts, mortgages, and other similar loans is not urgent because their interest rates are often significantly lower. Even yet, timely repayment of these loans with lower interest rates is crucial because it improves credit standing. 4. Establish automatic saving. First, pay yourself. Enroll in the retirement program offered by your workplace, and take use of any matching contribution benefits, basically free money, to the fullest. It's a good idea to set up automatic contributions to a brokerage account or a similar account, as well as withdrawals into an emergency fund that can be used for unforeseen needs. 5. Get investing right away. People may question the wisdom of investing during bear markets, but historically there has never been a better way to increase your wealth. Your money will expand tremendously thanks to the magic of compound interest alone, but you'll need a lot of time to see real growth. 6. Check your credit score. Your credit score is a crucial factor in determining the interest rate you are offered whether financing a home or a new car. It also affects how much you pay for a variety of other necessities, such as life insurance premiums and auto insurance. 7. Bargain for products and services. For fear of coming out as cheap, many Americans are reluctant to haggle for goods and services. By overcoming this fear, you might annually save thousands of lives. Bulk purchases or presenting yourself as a loyal customer might get you substantial discounts because small firms, in particular, frequently engage in negotiating. 8. Maintain your financial knowledge. To make sure that all adjustments and deductions are maximized each year, review pertinent changes in tax law. Follow market changes and financial news, and don't be afraid to rebalance your investment portfolio as necessary. The strongest safeguard against fraudsters who prey on inexperienced investors to make a fast buck is knowledge. 9. Keep up with your property. Everything from vehicles and lawnmowers to shoes and clothing lasts longer when the property is well maintained. Maintenance is an investment that should not be overlooked because it is much less expensive than replacement. 10. Budget your money. A mindset centered on making the most of less is necessary for mastering a thrifty way of life, and it's simpler than you might think. In fact, many wealthy people formed the practice of living within their means before becoming affluent. 11. Consult with a financial advisor. Get a financial counselor to help you stay on the correct track once you've accumulated a respectable amount of wealth, either in liquid assets, cash or anything that can be changed into cash, or fixed assets, property or anything that cannot be converted into cash. 12. Look after your health. Taking exceptional care of your physical health has a major positive impact on your financial health as well. The notion of regular maintenance also applies to your body. It is simple to make an investment in your health. It entails going to the dentist and doctor on a regular basis and adhering to medical recommendations for any issues you experience. Simple lifestyle adjustments, including increasing exercise and eating healthier, can help, or even prevent, many medical conditions. In order to get one step closer to your financial freedom, just click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful